Hello everybody and welcome back to this video. My name is Mr. Knife and today we are going to take a look at LEGO Ideas Set 21320. First off, this is a beautiful box. Just look at it. Next up, we have the booklets. Booklets. Yes, booklets. For this first booklet, we have the booklet of the Pteranodon. I don't know what to say about this, but it's just a LEGO booklet. The next booklet we have is for the Triceratops. Again, just another booklet. Nothing special about it. Moving on to the last booklet, we have the T-Rex booklet. Again, not much to say about this one, but it's really cool that there's a picture on the back. Now let's build these things. And done. First, we are gonna take a look at them together. Pteranodon. Wow. Triceratops. Also incredible. And the T-Rex. The best of the set. And of course, the accessories. Damn it. Just stay in frame, please. And here we have a nice fly around. Now for the accessories. This paleontologist and his gear. This guy has a magnifying glass and he can move like any other minifigure. Now for this included skeleton. Hinge joint here. Removable hat. Swivel at the head. Removable stand, a hinge joint at the waist. Now for the chest. We have a brush, a hammer, a chisel, a standard red LEGO cup with a cute bone to go alongside it. Now for the actual figures. Pteranodon, he's got a hinge joint here. He can be taken off of his stand here. Hinge joint, hinge joint, hinge joint, hinge joint, a ratcheting hinge, a swivel, another swivel, and a ratcheting hinge joint, and the swivel that breaks his hip. And now Triceratops. It's just a straight, beautiful figure. And on this figure we got ball joint here, hinge joint, this moves out, ratcheting hinge, the tail snaps up fairly easily. Why? A beautiful ball joint here, ball joint, hinge joint, and a swivel at the tip. You know what? Fuck this tail. It's T-Rex time. What an absolute monster. He's got a double hinged jaw, a ball joint, a hinge joint which is way too loose, another hinge, ratcheting hinge, ball joint here, hinge joint here and here, a penis swivel. This flap moves in and out, and the toes move. Butt flap hinge, butt plug hinge, 4 ratcheting hinges. This tail also breaks. 3 ball joints, and a swivel with a hinge. Now for size comparisons. Pteranodon next to my ruler. Pteranodon next to my ruler sideways. Next to first grade Zaku. And here we have Triceratops next to my ruler. Next to a minifigure and next to my ruler again. Next to high grade Gundam. And next to first grade Zaku. And now the T-Rex next to my ruler. Next to high grade Gundam. And next to first grade Zaku. Next to first grade Zaku. Overall, this is a great set. I do recommend buying it, as it gives you some bang for your buck. 3 figures, and some extras. Until next time, and I'll see you later.